Welcome everyone to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. Please laugh. There you go. There you go. Okay, now that we've gotten that out of the way, this is a pleasant patient who has presented to our office today with a chief complaint of a very robust onychomycotic onychodystrophic, what we historically call the ram's horn. Okay, so again, as everyone can see, it is quite robust. It's just enormous, right, to say the least. When was the last time you trimmed this toenail?
Over a year ago.
A year.
2 years.
¿Cuánto?
Como 2 años.
2 years. It's been 2 years.
Yes.
So this is basically a COVID nail.
Yes, it's a COVID nail.
A COVID nail.
A COVID nail.
Right. So as everyone can see, I mean, this is just, you know.
It's a hole.
¿Cómo?
Como un hole, como un hueco.
See, it's got like a little a tunnel in underneath. It's like a mountain. It's got a little tunnel right in the center. Let's just get to work, shall we? So the goal today is to trim this entire nail, okay? And what I like to do in these is always hold the toenail here in the back, just because that's going to alleviate the discomfort as we are trimming the toenail.
You're good, you're good. Mom.
Yeah, we're all good. Just watch your eyes, okay?
And close your mouth.
And don't talk, yes. Okay, so we'll go. No one talk, here we go. Okay. There's a significant amount, ow, that really hurt. Don't mind me. There's a significant amount of subungual debris, okay, underneath. And we're gonna go ahead and remove all that as well. You know, I love these cases just because there's an element of transformation. See, this is like crusty, dry tissue. It's like a walnut, right? Right? And I'm gonna put this to go. Goodie bag.
It's okay.
Okay. We'll work the subungual debris here. ¿Está bien?
Sí.
Like an onion. Just peels. Look at this underneath, guys. Oh, we're all going home today with
Pieces.
absolutely. ¿Está bien?
Sí.
In cases as such, you know, my goal is to remove as much as we can, right? You guys can even see that the nail is actually back here. It's growing along the proximal nail fold, right around here.
Almost done, mommy.
¿Cómo?
Almost done.
Almost done? Yeah. So again, I'm holding the nail back here. ¿Está bien?
Sí.
So the nail has adapted. It's kind of like overflowing the nail fold here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if we can, there we go. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
What a piece.
Wow.
No, yeah.
That was inside, right?
Oh,
Yes.
see.
See.
I already feel better.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can carefully come back here. Now remove the rest. Look at that. ¿Está bien?
Sí, he's just nervous.
Lo siento.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. So we're all done. You know, I think what's really important here that we were able to really work this proximal lateral nail fold, and we were able to actually excise that severely dystrophic piece that was essentially hanging outside of the fold, right? And of course, you know, we were able to excise everything else. This area here was a tiny little bit tender. The nail bed, the skin is actually growing into the nail after 2 years. So, but I mean, everything else looks great though, right?
Yeah.
Everything else looks great, and it probably not only does it look good, but it feels good.
Yeah.
¿Cómo te sientes?
Bien.
¿Se siente mejor?
Yes.
Patient is feeling significantly better. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and you know, we'll grind it up a little bit more, but this is great. I mean, you guys can see how the nail plate essentially adapted and all the, you know, medial, lateral nail folds, etc. So, you know, we will continue to do what we do, educate the world that these clinical presentations do exist, subsequent treatments. Again, this is the severely onychomycotic, onychodystrophic, notorious, infamous ram's horn. Okay? And again, the only reason why this patient never made it here before, COVID,
Yes.
and simply maybe just a little apprehensive. Very apprehensive. Some people simply don't like the doctor's office.
Not here. We love you.
So
You're doing a great job.
Going dancing tonight.
we're going dancing. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the patient for allowing us to do this. Thank you very much. I think a lot of people will
You did a great job.
thank you very much. We really appreciate it. As always, guys, thank you for watching.